Today's book is Rachel's Day in the Garden. Now, as we read this book, we'll put up the yoga pose that goes along with the page in the story. So pay attention so that you can stretch in the morning with Rachel. Rachel's Day in the Garden. It was written by Giselle Chardlow. "Good morning, world," Rachel said as she basked in the rays of the yellow sun. Put both of your hands up. "Let's go play in the garden, Sammy." Rachel scooped up her puppy and gave him a hug. The sky was a gorgeous blue. Rachel and Sammy skipped around the backyard. After a while, a light rain began to fall. The pair huddled under the green leaves of a tall tree. Rachel felt the rain gently sprinkling her face. She took a deep breath and smelled the wet earth. Good tree pose. Sammy looked up and tilted his head to listen. Rachel looked up too. A red bird was settling into its nest. When the misty rain stopped, Rachel remembered that she had pumpkin seeds to plant in the garden. She spaced the seeds 2 inches apart in the brown, wet soil. "I love getting my hands dirty." "Look, Sammy, an orange caterpillar." "Sometimes caterpillars are naughty and eat leaves, but they are still beautiful," Rachel said. Sammy barked happily. "Colorful, sweet-smelling flowers like tulips attract yellow bees," Rachel said. "Bees help our vegetable garden grow." Sammy wagged his tail. Sammy jumped up and down trying to catch a fluttering purple butterfly. "Silly Sammy," Rachel giggled. "Butterflies love pink flowers," Rachel said to Sammy. "That's why we plant zinnias." Rachel and Sammy lay down on the grass, listening to the birds chirp. Just then, Rachel saw an amazing sight. "Look, Sammy, it's a rainbow. I just love the rain." The end.